Morning. Just a very quick one this week. I've come up to Middleton Lakes again. I'm not going to be hanging around too much today for a couple of reasons. One, it's my birthday. I'm 25. I know I look a bit older, but I had a hard paper round. And second reason, my mics, I forgot to charge since the last time I come out. So I think they're about to give up with battery. So I can't really do much talking, which some of you will be saying, yes, which I totally agree. Thirdly, there's not a lot going on. Not a lot at all. I don't know what I expected, if I'm honest. But there's more birds coming out now, I think, than what there was a month ago. But it's just the same. Ducks, cormorants, gadwall ducks. And that's it. So I'm not really feeling it. So I'm going to head back. I've been here a couple of hours. I've took a couple of shots. I'll show you them now. Yeah, so as I said, nothing special there. Another reason I'm not hanging about today is the weather forecast is supposed to be cloudy, if not raining, by about 11 o'clock. And I think it's about, it's probably about 10 o'clock now already. And it's about an hour's walk. And I've only come out in this old fleece today, so yeah, I better head back before it does start to rain because I'll get soaked. I haven't got no waterproofs with me. Yesterday, I went to Twycross Zoo again because last time I went, I bought a ticket and you can use it, go visit the zoo as many times as you want within a year. So I had a day off and I thought I'd make the most of it, and I went to the zoo. I got some all right shots. There weren't a lot because there weren't a lot of animals kind of out there enclosures. Not out there enclosures, out, you know, like they go inside, don't they? Not a lot of them were coming out, so I didn't really get that many. I've already edited a couple, but I'm that far behind with my photos from days out when I've like come here and gone other places that I'm going to try and catch up with them before I even touch the Twycross Zoo ones. But I'll show you a couple of them maybe now. Same as every time I've gone out and done zoo photography, I've never really done a video. So what I'll do is I'll probably just do like a slideshow of all the ones that I've managed to get at Twycross Zoo. As I said, there won't be many because I didn't really take that many, if I'm honest. So that'll be coming up sometime in the future. Another thing I wanted to talk about, I've been asked a couple of times, do I work from presets? Now, I don't actually work from someone else's presets. I kind of work from my own and I save them, then I kind of use them over and over again. And I've also been asked, do I sell presets? And it's something that I kind of thought, well, I could, I suppose. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm trying to put together like a couple of preset packs. I don't know if anybody will buy them, to be honest, but it's something I can offer, and some people have said that, yeah, they definitely would want them, so I will be doing that soon. And also, not just like a preset pack, I want to do like some adjustments, so you can kind of apply the adjustments and they're all kind of adjustable to your photo how you want. So rather than just whack a preset on, there'll be like 5 or 6 stages what you can tweak yourself, and you know, then put a preset pack on or whatever. But all will be made a bit more clearer when I actually finish them. But I don't know when that'll be. I'm hoping to get them out before Christmas, so I'll keep you informed. Well, that's it. As it's my birthday, I'm going to go home and eat lots of cake and drink lots of beer. If there's any more photos, I'll leave them after this. If not, thanks for watching. Until next time.